Hello friends, welcome back. Welcome back to my channel. In today's video, we are going to learn about end punctuation. The first one is end punctuation in punctuation marks, TSBIE Second Year English. So in end punctuation, the first one is full stop. So how to use full stop? What are the rules? So first point here, first rule is it is used at the end of a sentence, at the end of a declarative sentence. It is used at the end of an assertive sentence. Okay. So full stop marks the closure of the sentence. From there, again we have to take a fresh start. For example, here India is my country. We love our country so much. It has a great heritage. So how many fragments are there? First of all, we have to check. So it has how many? The bunch has how many sentences? So India is my country. So full stop here. Full stop. From here onwards, capital letter. Okay. After full stop, fresh start. We love our country so much. We love our country so much. Full stop. Okay. Right. From here onwards, capital letter. It has a great heritage. Okay. Full stop. In this way, we have to identify. A bunch is given. Suppose a bunch is given to you. That bunch has how many sentences? We have to identify depending upon the meaning of the given bunch. Okay. Group of sentences. Have a look at the second example. A child will fearlessly try. We adults fearing failure give up before trying. So this is taken from Dancing in the Rain, Azim Premji lesson. A child will fearlessly try. So here the virtues of children, the greatness of children is mentioned by Azim Premji here. A child will fearlessly try. Stop. We adults fearing failure give up before trying. Okay, so like this two sentences are there. Okay, next one, it is used in abbreviations. So abbreviation, short forms, full stop is used. For example, MA, example, MBA, MBBS, IAS, BBC, like that. Okay, so abbreviations we use full stops. Acronyms we don't use. What is acronym? Acronym is a word, so it is also abbreviation. It is also abbreviation, but it is pronounced as a word. Okay. For example, NATO, North American Treaty of Organization. So we don't say NATO, NATO we say. AIDS, acquired immunodeficiency syndrome. We don't say AIDS, AIDS. Okay. Similarly, COVID, coronavirus disease. We don't say COVID, no, COVID. It is pronounced as a word. It is also short form, but it is pronounced as a word. This is called acronym. We don't use any full stop in acronym. Okay, that's the difference between abbreviation and acronym. Okay, now come to the third one, third example, third usage. It is used in writing date and time. Date and time. For example, 27/1/2022. India got independence on 15th August 1947, like that. So while writing the date and time also, the class starts at 6 p.m., 10:45 a.m., like that. Okay. So while writing the dates and time also, we use full stop. So these are the uses of full stop. Okay. So in the next video, we learn the uses of question mark and exclamation mark. So these are three are the parts of end punctuation. Okay, friends. So thanks for watching my videos. So please like, share, comment and subscribe to my channel for this kind of interesting topics. See you very soon. Till then, take care. Bye bye. Jai Hind.